Hello and welcome once again to the Family Hearing Centers. My name is Dr. Christopher Schweitzer of the Boulder area's only Audigy certified audiology practice. Now I'd like to tell you more about our practice's commitment to serving your hearing care needs. At the Family Hearing Centers, our commitment is to provide you an unsurpassed hearing care experience. It begins the moment you contact our practice and continues for as long as you are in our care. Your family becomes part of our family. During your initial appointment, we will assess and evaluate your specific hearing and communication challenges. Once we've gained an understanding of the world through your ears, we'll administer the necessary diagnostic exams required to accurately determine your specific hearing pattern. After the appropriate tests have been completed, our Audigy certified professionals will sit down with you to discuss your test results in detail, and will do so in a manner that focuses on your understanding of those findings. We believe an educated patient is an empowered patient. The better you understand the nature of your hearing loss, the better we can effectively collaborate to alleviate the effects. Together, we'll examine the various treatment solutions and rehabilitation options available for your specific type of hearing loss and how they apply to your desired hearing and communication goals and unique listening lifestyle. At the Family Hearing Centers, we work hard to exceed your expectations through our friendly, personalized, and thorough approach to hearing health care. Call us at Family Hearing Centers today to learn more about your specific hearing and the remarkable solutions available.